Obomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduke cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nigwa amavuta yani oil ya wigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori lyabantabati wigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Chapto kiresta Ibere igoro ye Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiritukiri gari ya Jumapili tariki 24 mutinyo gatano na gatatu omwaka bw'ekiri 2025 Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yowe ngenchengoro Catherine Nyaboga Wisoni makuru cross umwe manyeriro na bayo Wilfred Matundra na era koneka buna chibicana Mario ingo ikirachira asenchira ire yowe karano karanseke obena into weka omwero toko chakane ngana yogo ichane abo asomobire b'umusacho yomo we myaka 50 otoka ase kenyoro kya Masisi igoma imambiyeri tkoria rero korende korengana abanyakenyero nigo baerera buna omubiro yo ntomanyiri na nigo oiteirwe ase anga korende okabago korentwa na kubeka ase ense usina kubekwa ase ense meyo bamenya abo nigo begi basokya nabo igo kugikira egekorekyo kyabatikana omuichana omonene ase oyo minto Gilbert Kopi arense meyo na nigo agot arendrete usagenda tutorene roboteru ntochigo koretera Chinsa ikomi korengana buna aratumanye na togo chaka omogoko nigo bwatitense ase skuru wasase team ya rugby ya skuru ya Kisii ko ayemaga yabra uko babanyangongo ase chigosori chesu chiskuru che secondary cha Africa ya mocha asense mo ya rugby magega yoko yesagana etimu ya All Saints Embu ase keminano kyarenge egetindike gima ense mo yende nigo bainekrebuna ekeminane ekyo nigo kyarenge egetindike gima korende nigo babete abanyangongo kubatikana no bumanyi bwo igoro obubabeire bakwewana omo olio osorio kobaro kia igoro ye chinjira barachese chigosere ichu mwalimu monene nigo esogete na kwerera osina goteba nigo barachiko genda gosira ebiegwa ase eskuru.
My name is Charles Obero, Captain Kisii School Rugby. This feeling is very electric, that's all I could say, especially being the highest stage for rugby in the whole central and eastern region. Our school, Kisii School Rugby, or if you may like Raptors Rugby, have managed to carry the trophy, and as a team we are very excited, we're very happy.
Aston Shisikane, the head coach Kisii School and Kisii RFC. We put this match on God. We put this on our principal because of the support, and I would like to thank the players on behalf of our technical bench for the effort, for the hard work that they put in, for the commitment, for the endurance until these points that they managed to win the biggest title in high school rugby.
It's been a very long and tough journey, I'm not going to lie, with many setbacks such as injuries in the team, but all along we managed to get through our dark phases together, we managed to bond as a team, and we managed to emerge victorious.
We've cleared the games now. We have boys who are in Form 4 in this team. Our next move is to prepare them for university so that they'll be able to go and even put forward and use their talents. And I'm looking forward to seeing some of these boys joining our national teams in rugby.
Chief Principal kindly accepted that after the school opens, as a county will come as a team. Now we are celebrating, we'll come as a team, at least we'll be able to share 2-3 things so that we can be able to push our boys ahead. It's not good when you finish high school, from there you don't have a team where you are going to.
As Coop at Kisii, we are so proud. We are happy that Kisii County is now having the trophy for Rugby 15s. And as a rugby development officer for many, many years, I'm so proud. This is one of my proudest moments to see the dream that we had of being up there in rugby become a reality while I'm alive.
So gendrete korigeriria ebiewa na boigo emicheso ase osechiko sori asabasai mokonyo muraiwense professor Pram Kithure Kindiki nigo agendereire kora emirobiri ya empowerment chinsemo neva emirobiri yo yabereye komochwanense mere yo kwamiriria eserekari gokwani mambia rero korwa ebunge ya Talbot egotoka county ya Wajir Kindiki nigo airere kirengagia serikali kyogosira chigosori na boigo ebiegwa ase abasai ase boiga kwanira team ya Harambee Stars buna yagosoria ase amamirani aliachan anakoyetogia kigima asate abani go baracheko gendra gusira etimu eyo nabo igo kweneke buna bagosoria bungosiro bari buna eganire na nigate bambagendre kwagacha ebiti byechigosori emergency ya Kenya.
Tukiendelea hata hii Wajir walimu wote watakuwa ni watu wa sehemu hii ili ambao wanaelewa hata mila na dini na mambo ya sehemu hii na ambao hatakuwa anatoroka wakati kuna shida kwa sababu hao ni wenyeji wa hapa. Tuendelee tusiendelee. Kwa hivyo hiyo ndio kazi serikali inafanya. Wale ambao ni vijana wako katika mambo ya michezo, mumeona vile Rais Ruto amewekeza mambo ya michezo. Kwa sababu vijana wengine labda Mungu hawajapata majaliwa kuwa wasomi, lakini wako na talanta ya michezo. Na hiyo pia ni muhimu. Na umeona timu yetu ya taifa ya Harambee Stars imeshinda timu nyingi za bara za Afrika, karibu waingie pale mwisho, lakini matatizo kidogo tukateleza kidogo. And I want to say we are very proud of what Harambee Stars has done to our country. We will continue supporting our Harambee Stars, modernizing our stadiums, making sure we take care of the players' welfare and the welfare of the technical bench to make sure that Harambee Stars prepares for the World Cup qualifiers that are starting in September and for the African Cup of Nations that is coming in 2027. Kwa sababu Harambee Stars ni fire, ni fire si fire. Ni fire si fire. Si Harambee Stars ni fire. Si wamecheza kama Kenya. Si wamecheza kama sisi. Waendelee wasiendelee. Kazi ya Rais Ruto na serikali ni kujenga mastadium na kupatia wanamichezo motisha ili wacheze. Na sio soka peke yake. Hata maneno mipira ya mikono kama volleyball, handball, netball, rugby, sports zote, vijana wapate mahali pa kupata pesa na riziki kupitia
Morobiri obo wenyosha ni gobono oyenyorire ase akongo magigaye kyombekire gichinya gitari cyabanyene kemanyikaine buna rufa gose Rural and Urban Private Hospitals of Kenya wasokya na gwasiore igati amate ni gosa madeni abo morobiri oyo obeire kogotwara egento ke iranire maiga chinya gitari echo amona chiri chitenenire amone chikanisa asbono ni gobaruro kobolya gocha ase serikali gwetera ewizara yabachanu koba kana chibesa cyabo buna umurai bwense arwete ogochika inobana na obokoreri gosobo bwene gochiase abarohire.
Since its inception in October last year, Kenyan hospitals have submitted claims worth 93 billion Kenya shillings to SHA, of which the private sector has submitted 60% of those claims. Faith-based facilities have submitted 11% and public facilities have submitted 29%. So within that time, only 50 billion shillings, representing 53% of all SHA claims, has been paid. It is our view that the accumulated arrears of SHA, which as at today morning stand at 43 billion Kenya shillings, are a threat and a risk to the Kenyan health system. This amount of money, 43 billion shillings in debts within 9 months, is more than NHIF accumulated since the year 1966. We are extremely concerned, and unless something is done very rapidly, we think that the healthcare system faces imminent collapse. Therefore, while we applauded the transparency, that transparency must not be used for propaganda. It must paint the full picture, and the full picture is that SHA is not collecting enough money to settle the claims that Kenyans are incurring when they go to hospital. Number two, on the issue of outpatient services at level 2 to level 4 facilities that the government has repeatedly said are free of charge, we as an association of private facilities support basic primary health care. We want that to be the case. However, non-payment of outpatient primary health, the one that has been said to be free, is going on in particular in the following counties. In the county of Mombasa.
Mujumbe okitutu cha North Jafeth Nyakundi nigo aereire mirobiro yo murai wense kokwana korawajia chinga kicho murobiro bogosira abangina abasaye amone byombe gose empowerment. Nyakundi nigo aerera igatiaria eserikali ya Kenya kwanza yekiranire anene mono kolika aborokia nabo igo kogendera gosira usikolika abasaye.
Eleze hii maendeleo William Ruto amefanya Kenya hii. Hakuna mtu amefanya maendeleo kama William Ruto. Kama ni barabara zile zilikuwa zimekwama, zote zinaendelea. Kama ni maneno ya soko, yeye amejenga zaidi ya soko 400 Kenya mzima. Kama ni walimu, ameandika zaidi ya walimu 76,000 na ikifika Januari anaandika walimu wengine 24,000. Hiyo ni walimu 30% ya Kenya mzima. Huyu William Ruto, yeye kazi yake inaonekana. Yeye anasema ya kwamba anachochea vijana. Huyu William Ruto amesaidia, ameandika vijana katika affordable housing 1,400. Huyu William Ruto ameandika walimu. Huyu William Ruto saa hii vijana wanaenda Saudi Arabia, vijana wanaenda Qatar, vijana wanaenda AU countries kwa sababu wameandika vijana wameenda huko zaidi ya 1,400. Watusaidie walete pesa hapa Kenya ili tuweze kujidumu kimaisha. Kwa hivyo tusaidiane na William Ruto. Tusukume maisha na William Ruto.
Murai wa barabangase bungene ne oyuba igoro mujumbe okikuyu omoske Anthony Kimani Chungwa nigo aigereire ekerenga gya serikali ya bottom up agokwana kurwajia Ichungwa nigo nere ateba insi buraibwaje Dr. William Samoei Ruto kerensemo nigo irache konyora amagendro arengaini nabo igomba chigusira abasa konyora amabagaye mirimo asaboigo amamocha muraiwe kiama kiregia DCP omoske Gatigashawa.
Tunasema 2 term ya Rais William Ruto, 2 term ya Profesa Kithure Kindiki, ili tuwaunganishie stima, ili tuwajenge barabara, ili tuajiri walimu zaidi, wakiwemo vijana wa hapa Tarbaj na Wajia, waajiriwe wao walimu, waelimishe watoto wetu, Wajia County na North Eastern, iwe kama sehemu zingine zote za Kenya. Tuendelee tusiendelee? Munakumbuka wakati tulikuja hapa wakati wa campaign, tuliwaambia mpango wetu wa maendeleo ulikuwa ni ule wa bottom up economic transformation agenda. Hiyo bottom up ndio inasema hata mtu ya Wajia apate barabara ya rami kama vile mtu ya Nyeri ama Kiambu ama Nairobi anapata barabara ya rami. Hiyo bottom up ikasema tusawazishe kijana wa hapa Wajia awe kama kijana mwingine aliye Nairobi, akipata kitambulisho apate kura yake, apate kura ya kupigia William Ruto. Kweli si kweli? Tuendelee tusiendelee? Tuendelee tusiendelee? Wajia mtashikana na Wakenya wengine? Mumeamua tushikane sisi wote? Nimesikia mwingine anaenda kusema ati jamii ya Wasomali ati
Chapto Krista ikamina Isano igore Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabona mugaso ritkerigare Jumapili moncho muregere na ara yokorwa Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchira yo wenge ikomi tochkoira nagega tokoretira yo mona yanda senchira yo wenge toroburige borobya tumbrane chika Chinsa chiko.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asimigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati ali aye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago tena Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyumu chuyigo busongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
amone kisimiki ye urunda bwate amona mabaki
Ndage